How you doing, Infamous Living Room Network? I'm Trenius, Henderson. You're tuned in. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing. You new subscribers out there subscribing every single day. Continue to speak up, let your voice be heard. Y'all know I'll reply on time, promptly. Thumbs up, folks, if this video resonate with you. But I got some really powerful stuff I want to talk to you about tonight. What no one tells you about law of attraction. Now, amongst all the stuff that I've told you about law of attraction, folks, this is the really simplest stuff that I can tell you about law of attraction. And I had to come to a consensus with myself about like how simple the law of attraction really is. I just looked at all the videos that I made on law of attraction. I was like, you know what? It's not that hard. It's really simple, folks. And I'm about to tell you right now. But first and foremost, if you're new to the Infamous Living Room Network, make sure that you subscribe right down here in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, or if you're on your cell phone, it's below this video. Right beside my profile picture over there on the right-hand side. Make sure you subscribe and also press the bell so that you can be notified every 24 hours. New videos in your pocket every 24 hours, folks. But anyway, let's get right down into it. What nobody tells you about law of attraction, the hidden secret of manifestation. Folks, it's really this simple right here. It's really this simple. Listen, always talk about what you want. That's it. That's it. Just always talk about what you want. So we're going to flip the script here. We're going to change our perspective. We're going to change our perception. Rather than thinking about all the things that we don't want to happen, how about let's think about all the things that we want to happen? Yeah, I know. Listen, trust me. It's not going to be easy. You know, most of us, like me, folks, like growing up, you know, being around friends, you know, being around my peers and people that I just hung around growing up with in school and all this and that, you know, I was literally raised to believe that I should think about everything that I don't want because nobody wants to be in a tight situation. So, you know, survival says, you know, you have to try to make sure that you keep yourself from getting in a tight situation. That's what survival says. But the more I got older, the more I began to awaken. You know, I began to realize the truth, and I'm just like, you know what? I'm like, why is I'm struggling? And then I started thinking about why I'm struggling. I'm thinking like, okay, why is I'm always thinking about negative thoughts? Like I had to really think about that for a second. Like, why does my mind always take me in the hoods, in the ghettos of my thought life? Why can't I be in the rich neighborhoods of my thought life in my mind? You know what I'm saying? And I started to realize that. I'm like, you know what? How about I think about some of the things that I do want sometimes, you know what I'm saying? And then when I started thinking about some of the things that I really do want, you know, and things that I really want to happen, I started learning about the law of attraction and manifestation. I'm like, this is a confirmation to what I was experiencing the whole time. So folks, this is what I have to tell you. Like, law of attraction is simply just thinking about the things you want. The universe is very friendly. A lot of people think the universe is like this sophisticated machine that never gives you what you want, and you have to do all this, and you have to be this way, and you have to be holier than thou, and you have to do all this stuff to get the universe to hear you. But that's not true, folks. It's really simple. All you have to do is just constantly, every day, as soon as you wake up out of your bed in the morning, just start thinking about what you want to happen for yourself today. Versus, oh my God, my boss is gonna get on my nerves. Like, oh man, I had a bad day yesterday. I wonder if today gonna be the same. Oh man, everything's going crazy in my life. I wonder if I'm gonna be able to pay these bills today. Oh man, rent due today. Last time I was late, I think I'm gonna be late today. You can't think like that because you know what the universe is gonna do? It's gonna bring you those experiences and those situations because the universe don't think like people, folks. The universe don't think like your bestie or your best friend or nobody that you ever knew. A lot of people think that the universe thinks like, oh, you know, it hears me, so it's gonna treat me like the way my friends treat me. No, it's not. It just hears your mind. Whatever you put into the universe from your mind's perspective is what you're gonna get out. So if you sitting around thinking about you ain't gonna make it out, you know, you ain't gonna, you know, make the promotion, you ain't gonna pass the bar, you're not gonna pass the bar. But if you're thinking in the morning when you wake up, you know what, I'm gonna study for this bar exam, I'm gonna pass the bar, guess what's gonna happen? The universe is gonna give you people to come into your life to help you pass the bar. You're gonna be in situations and circumstances to help you pass the bar. You're gonna start getting information downloaded to you like through your intuition that helps you pass the bar, and then eventually you're gonna pass the bar. And then you're gonna be a lawyer, and then you're gonna help bail me out. You understand what I'm saying? Nah, but I'm serious though, man. This is real serious. So One thing that you have to do is that you have to listen to your intuition, folks. This is the most simplest thing that you ever gonna hear on YouTube about the law of attraction, folks. This is the most simplest. People make this stuff so complicated, so difficult to understand, and so sophisticated. All you literally have to do is listen to your intuition. What is your intuition, Trenius? Intuition is your gut instinct. Intuition is just following in the things that you think for yourself, for your life, and your reality. See, so many times, man, so many people believe in other people's opinions so much that they don't even know themselves. You know what I'm saying? Like, I used to be that way. I used to, like, I never really had a voice for myself, so I looked up the people that had voices, and I believed everything about them. I believed their pupil color. I believed their genetic makeup. I believed the words that they were saying. I believed the life that they was living. I wanted to literally become that person. But then I felt like, you know what? I can't do that because I'm not them. I feel some of the things that they're saying, but the more I grew up, I started to realize this is not who I really want to be. I've adopted everything from other people rather than being my true self. You understand what I'm saying? And so when I started being my true self, I started listening to my own intuition. Like, I started listening to my own way of thinking. And when I started listening to my own way of thinking, that's when the law of attraction, like, literally started working for me. It literally started working for me, like, magically. And it was so magical, folks, that it was scary. It was scary. Like, I couldn't even really believe that it was this easy. And the whole time I was led to believe that life was this hard. But all you gotta do is just wake up and just think about, you know, what you want, and then continuously think about what you want, and then write it in affirmations on a dry erase board on the wall, and then make it get in your mind, and you start to get it. I mean, it's really this simple, man. And the truth is, folks, you're gonna always listen. Check this out right here. This gonna blow your mind. If this video resonates with you, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. But this about to blow your mind right here, folks. Whatever you're thinking about that you want to manifest in your life, that you want to law of attract into your life, anything that you desire in your life, anything, like when you at home by yourself or whatever, and you thinking about what you want, you know, when you go out somewhere to a public place and you're thinking about the things that you want to happen, folks, I'm here to tell you, it will happen. It's going to happen. It will happen. Everything that you're thinking about in your imagination after you watch this video, what you want to desire, what you want to manifest for your life, folks, you're just looking at the stepping stones to get you to actually receiving it. I'm just a stepping stone in your life to tell you that you are going to receive it, but I'm just like a step going up to the second level of your house. You're going to get to the second level of your house as long as you keep walking up the stairs. Okay, so this is like past tense already. You know what I mean? You're way in the future. You're way in the future in your mind. I'm just telling you what you are experiencing in your past life. Because you're going to manifest all the things that you want in this lifetime. This is the only life you get. So you know you're going to manifest it. It's coming. Whatever you want, whatever you think in your mind, this is what you're going to get. And this is what no one tells you about the law of attraction. Hidden secrets. I'm Trenius Henderson of the infamous Living Rim Network, folks. Make sure you subscribe. Down here in the right-hand bottom of the screen, press that little bell. New videos every 24 hours, folks. Speak up, let your voice be heard. Let me know what you think about this law of attraction hidden secret. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.